Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Telegram account without phone number in Android and iOS device. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Firstly, connect the secure VPN and open the any browser. Now type on search bar Telegram free number. You can see appears on screen there are many of this website links. Some of these website do that work. You have to do what I will do. If your website does not work, then you have to work on another website. Scroll down. Here you can see scroll down now. Latest received SMS from Telegram. Click to copy the number. Back to home. Open the Telegram account. Start messaging. Continue. Allow. Enter the paste number and select your country. And next. Enter verification code. Back to your browser. If asked for verification code, then you have to give it. Back to Telegram. Enter the code. Your name. Apple. Trending. And next. Not now. You can see fake Telegram account without phone number. That's it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.